Hi, I'm Danny D'Angelo, and I obtain my cash laundromats for free. I'm not so smart, Danny D'Angelo, and I bought this here laundromat. I open and close my store 7 days a week. No time for luxury. I keep 5 flavors of imported beer on tap. I spend very little time at my laundromats. And of course, my pool is heated. I work in my laundromat every day. While cleaning out this drain, I found almost $2. My daughters are still babies, and my cash laundromats afford me the opportunity to watch them grow up. This is Crash. He's my best friend. Owning all cash businesses has afforded me the finer things in life. I can afford Dairy Queen almost every day. My wife and I enjoy fine Cuban cigars. Sometimes I find an almost new butt. Don't be like this, me.
Order my guaranteed course, Cleaning Up in Laundromats, and get on the road to financial freedom.
Find this me at kingoflaundry.com. I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.
Didn't have that much money to do it, but I was like, well, can't make money without money.
Can you get a laundromat for free? Let me tell you, the answer is yes, you can.
How the heck are you going to open up a laundromat unless you got a couple $100,000? Well,
we didn't have to pay anything for it. We negotiated it for free.